Guru's Vimshottari Mahadasha is considered the most auspicious and expensive one. It brings knowledge, prosperity, dharma, family happiness, marriage, children, and social success. If you're in it right now, it's about to begin, or you just want to know more, this video is for you. But the big question is, why exactly 16 years? There's a beautiful astronomical secret behind it. Today, we explore both the rules of the skies and the mysteries of Jyotish. Let's dive in.
Namaste dosto. Welcome back to Daksha Jyoti. Today, in this episode, we are diving deep into one of the most auspicious and expansive periods in Vedic astrology, the 16-year Vimshottari Mahadasha of Jupiter, or as we lovingly call it, Guru Mahadasha. Jupiter, the planet of wisdom, knowledge, prosperity, and dharma, rules this long 16-year chapter in our lives. Whether you are currently in it, approaching it, or just curious about it, this dasha often brings growth, better social connections, spiritual insights, and sometimes massive life transformations. But why exactly 16 years? There is a beautiful astronomical connection behind it, and today we will explore both the sky above and the astrological secrets within. Let's begin. Section 1. Astronomical Facts. First, let us look at Jupiter through an astronomical lens, because Vedic astrology is deeply rooted in real observations of the cosmos. Point 1. Jupiter is an outer planet, bright and easily visible to the naked eye when it is in opposition to the Sun. That is when Earth is right between the Sun and Jupiter, making Guru appear at its brightest, often like a brilliant star in the night sky. And here's the magic. Its four largest moons, the Galilean satellites, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, are clearly visible even with a small telescope or good binoculars. These four stand out prominently. Point 2. Jupiter takes approximately 12 years to complete one full orbit around the Sun. Yes, about 11.86 Earth years, but we round it to 12 in many traditional contexts. Now, add those four visible moons. 12 plus 4 equals 16. This is no coincidence, dosto. The sages assigned exactly 16 years to Jupiter's Mahadasha in the Vimshottari system. It's a perfect cosmic symmetry, linking the planet's orbit and its most prominent companions to the duration of its influence on us. Point 3. Let us talk about visibility and opposition again. Earth reaches perihelion, its closest point to the Sun, every January when the Sun is in Capricorn. At certain times, when Jupiter transits into Cancer, opposite Capricorn, it is perfectly positioned for opposition. Jupiter shines opposite the Sun, fully illuminated, and those four moons are super easy to spot. This is when Guru feels most present and powerful in the sky, mirroring how its dasha brings clarity, expansion, and visibility in our lives. Point 4. On the flip side, when Earth is farther from the Sun in its orbit, or when Jupiter is not in opposition, it becomes harder to see with the naked eye. Dimmer, less prominent. Point 5. Ultimately, it's all about symmetry, observation, and practice. Just as you need to train your eyes to spot Jupiter and its moons clearly in the night sky, life under Jupiter Mahadasha rewards those who observe, learn, and align with higher wisdom. Isn't this fascinating? The 16 years are not arbitrary. They are encoded in the heavens themselves. Section 2. Astrological Facts. Now, moving to the astrological side, how Jupiter Mahadasha actually plays out depending on its placement, especially the nakshatra it occupies in your chart. Jupiter is exalted in Cancer, its sign of highest strength. When Guru is strong and well placed during this dasha, expect blessings in education, family, wealth, and spirituality. But the flavor changes dramatically based on the nakshatra lord. Number 1.
Jupiter in the Sun's nakshatra. Kritika, Uttara Falguni, Uttara Ashadha. You become like the favorite teacher who is also the principal. Very caring yet commanding. Responsibilities feel natural. You guide others with authority and warmth. Number 2. Jupiter in the Moon's nakshatra. Rohini, Hasta, Shravana. Highly protective energy. You become the shield for your family and society. Nurturing, emotional support and a deep sense of duty towards your loved ones. Number 3. Jupiter in Mars nakshatra. Mrigashira, Chitra, Dhanistha. Wealth flows in, combined with bravery. You are decisive, action-oriented, great for leadership, business risks that pay off, and bold moves. Number 4. Jupiter in Rahu's nakshatra. Ardra, Swati, Shatabhisha. A bit tricky, can make one clever but sometimes crooked. Prone to exaggeration or ego. Lies or shortcuts may tempt, so stay grounded in ethics. Number 5. Jupiter in Jupiter's own nakshatra. Punarvasu, Vishakha, Purva Bhadrapada. Pure Guru energy. Excellent for business, building schools and institutions, following religion seriously and doing seva. Activities that truly make the world better. Number 6. Jupiter in Saturn's nakshatra. Pushya, Anuradha, Uttara Bhadrapada. A loving, pious, jolly nature. Intelligent, humble, spreads love to all. Think of the wise elder that everyone respects. Number 7. Jupiter in Mercury's nakshatra. Ashlesha, Jeshtha, Revati. You shine brightly in society. You are the understanding elder, great researcher, deep thinker, intellectual success, communication mastery. Number 8. Jupiter in Ketu's nakshatra. Ashwini, Magha, Moola. Spiritual seeker mode. Ritual follower, head of organizations, priests. Detachment from the material, focus on moksha and higher causes. Number 9. Jupiter in Venus's nakshatra. Bharani, Purva Falguni, Purva Ashadha. Success comes after struggles. Temper can flare, energies feel uncontrollable at times, but perseverance leads to luxury, creativity, and rewards. Overall, Jupiter Mahadasha, when positive, expands your social circle dramatically. Why? Jupiter has dozens of moons, currently known around 95 to 97, symbolizing vast networks, satellites of influence orbiting you. Growth in wisdom, fortune, and connections is common. Of course, results vary by your full chart, aspects, and antardashas, but this 16-year cycle is generally one of the most benevolent. So, dosto, that's the story of Jupiter's 16-year Mahadasha. From the astronomical beauty of 12 years orbit plus 4 moons to the profound astrological gifts it bestows. If you are in Jupiter Dasha right now, reflect. How has Guru shown up for you? Drop your experiences in the comments. I would love to hear. Like, share, and subscribe for more on astrology and yoga. Hit the bell for notifications. Next episode, we will explore another planet or cycle. Stay tuned. Namaste.